Today we will show you how to install your new HD camera to the Homelife system. Once you complete these steps, you'll be able to view live video remotely, save pictures and video clips, as well as add optional continuous video recording service. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your touchscreen control panel and know your master keypad code. This is the 4-digit code you use to arm and disarm your security system and access system settings. You'll also need to access your Homelife security router. We'll start by assembling the camera and connecting it to your Homelife router to allow it to be paired with your system. Attach the camera to the stand by placing the base of the camera to the mount and tighten. Position the camera as desired and tighten using the black knob. Next, connect one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port on the back of the camera, and the other end into the Y cable labeled Camera. Connect the other end of the Y cable into the LAN port on the Homelife security router. To power the camera, connect one end of the power cord to the Y cable, and the other end into an electrical outlet. Within a few minutes, 2 green lights will appear on the front of the camera, indicating it is ready to pair with the touchscreen. Now, on your touchscreen control panel, press the Settings app. Enter your 4-digit master keypad code, then select Home Devices, and then Cameras. If you do not see these options, please recheck that you have entered your system's master keypad code. Select Add a Camera and follow the prompts to conduct a network test. When complete, a green checkmark will appear with the upload speed. The upload speed is used to set the default video quality for the camera. Press Next. The hardware setup screen is displayed. Press Next. On the locating camera screen, the connected camera will appear. Press Accept to begin the pairing process. If necessary, the firmware will begin to update automatically, and camera configuration will begin. When complete, press Next. Now that the camera is paired with your system, you can customize the name of your device on the Edit New Camera screen. Tap the Camera Name field to configure the name of the camera, and press Done. Now you may modify the quality of the images captured by the camera, as well as the desired motion sensitivity setting, which determines what level of motion is detected by the camera. Press Next to continue. Follow the instructions on the camera Wi-Fi connection test screen to disconnect the camera from the router and reset it. Disconnect the Y cable from the router and power cable. Set the Y cable aside. Now, take the Ethernet power adapter and connect the camera's power and Ethernet cables. You can now relocate the camera to your desired location and plug it in. Wait at least a minute for the camera to fully restore connectivity. Now return to the touchscreen and press the Verify Camera button. This test will ensure the Wi-Fi connection to the camera is sufficient. Press Next. Then press Next again. Press the touchscreen's Home button to return to the home screen. If you need additional assistance, please call Homelife Technical Support at 877-404-2568 or visit us online at cox.com/DIY Homelife.